in boarding school, I can play with my friend 24 hours. Which is my mom is really hate me.
My parents thought about like, why don't we just put Aisha in the boarding schools?
Okay, how do you smile? Yes, I will hate also if I have son like you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to have a short conversation. I have 3 students here to tell about their life in boarding school. Okay, I will go straight. Before we continue, I will introduce to my students. This is Raga, class 7th grade, yeah. And this is Faldo, also 7th grade. And this is Aisha, 10th grade. Okay. I will straight to the question. My first question, when you guys were at elementary school or junior high school, how do you feel? Did you imagine that you will continue your studies at boarding school? Raga first.
In my imagination, in boarding school there is a lot of people, so I can talk with many people and I can get so many friends.
Okay, I see. So you like to play with friends. Yes. Okay, next, Maldo, how do you feel? How do you imagine?
No, I don't know. I don't know. How can I? How can I make friends? How I live my life away from my parents, and how I will solve my own problems.
So you used to solve your problems with your parents, yeah. Okay, next, Aisha, how do you feel?
In the first and second grade
Okay.
of my junior high school, I never really thought about it
Okay.
because my parents always put me in the school where my siblings gone to. But,
Okay, I see.
and my parents didn't really want me to go to boarding school either because they want me to keep living with them.
All right.
But after 3 years in my junior high school, after a long discussion, finally my parents agreed to put me in a boarding school.
So you're happy now? Here now?
Yes.
Okay, next question. Who has an idea to put you guys in this boarding school? Raga,
Myself,
you yourself choose this boarding school?
yes,
Why you choose boarding school to your school?
because in elementary school, I'm so happy to playing with my friend,
Okay.
but I cannot playing 24 hours with them.
Okay.
So I wanted to go boarding school because in boarding school I can play with my friend 24 hours.
I see.
I sleep with my friend. I eat with my friend. I pray with my friend. So I don't feel lonely.
Okay, you don't like being alone, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, next, Faldo. Who has an idea to put you in boarding school?
I think behind boarding school is my mom because my mom is really wanted me to be more independent and disciplined.
Okay.
Because at boarding school I couldn't always play with handphone, which is my mom is really hate me and I always in front of my handphone or laptop.
Okay, you just playing a game a whole day. Yes, I will hate also if I have son like you. Okay, next, Aisha.
At the first place, I actually tell my parents that I want to go to Islamic high school.
Okay.
But I never really imagined to go like specifically to Islamic boarding school because I never really imagined to live like far away from my parents.
Okay.
But because the condition of my family who is having a plan to move out from our town, my parents thought about like, why don't we just put Aisha in the boarding school so that I don't need to move continuously. And after that, both of them asked their friends about like recommended boarding school. And finally, my father found one of his friend, which is Naza's father, which is my classmate.
Okay.
And he told my father about this school, about ICBS, and so here I am.
Okay, good one. So, next question. Before you come to boarding school, yeah, what kind of personality do you have? Did you feel any change after living together in the boarding school? Raga.
In my elementary school, I'm so close for everyone and I'm very shy.
Okay.
But after I well after I'm here, my personality it's changed.
Okay. How?
Because I interaction with my friend it's more often.
Okay. So you talk with all people here.
Yes.
Okay. Next, Valdo.
To be honest, I used to be a daydreamer.
Daydreamer. Okay.
Sometimes I daydreaming, and sometimes I chatting with my friend next to me,
Okay.
and I didn't really stand out in class.
Okay. Nice.
After in the dormitory, I become more open with everyone, and become more cheerful and full of smile.
Full of smile. Okay. How do you smile? Okay. Good. How about Aisyah?
Before I go to school here, before I go here, in my junior high school, there's a lot of students, so I
Okay.
couldn't really put myself out.
Okay.
But after I live in dormitory here, I'm trying to be more, what is it, like,
Interactive. Okay.
understanding and interactive with my surroundings, with the others. So I feel more comfortable with the environment, with all of my
Okay.
friends, seniors, juniors, and even the teachers. And I feel more comfortable, and I could enjoy myself more in school.
Okay, you can see the situation in
Yes.
any condition. Okay, good. So next question. What is the most positive thing you find in this boarding school? In boarding school, I mean. Okay, next, Raga.
Mm, in San Cendekia boarding school, it's trained me to be not a lazy people,
Okay.
and it's trained me to be more independent man.
Okay, so you know, become more independent now?
Yes.
You feel like that?
Yes.
Oh, good, good, confident. Next, Aldo.
I think. Let me think. Let me.
Okay.
Okay. It's trained our dear to talk with strangers,
Okay.
to dare to public speaking
Yeah.
with the people, and train our
What?
discipline.
Okay, discipline. So you are become more disciplined here. Have you ever late to go to school in the morning?
Uh,
Not many.
not
Not too often.
not too often.
Okay, good. Aisyah.
Um, by living here in dormitory, we can become more disciplined about the rules, and by bonding with the others, we could also increase our empathy and sympathy, and we could also like train our time management and
Okay.
our how to socialize well.
Okay, good answer from these students. So you guys have heard what we are telling about this boarding school. Ya, jadi kita udah menceritakan, mereka sudah menceritakan nih bagaimana pengalaman bahwasanya di boarding school itu tidak semenyeramkan yang kalian kira ya. Bahkan ada yang sangat senang bisa berinteraksi dengan teman selama 24 jam. Ya, makan bersama teman, tidur ada temennya, terus apalagi tadi main sama teman juga ya. Jadi tunggu apa lagi? Jangan lupa kalian masuk boarding school, apalagi Insan Cendekia boarding school. Semuanya say hi. Oke. Mungkin ini aja. So just this from us today podcast. So thank you for your attention. Maybe we will meet next time with these students. Oke, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.